girlfriend, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Sherrell, and today's video is an extra special clean with me, where at the end I will do something extra special for some of the people that I love the most. This video is in collaboration with my good friend Gretchen, and I will let her introduce herself to you now.
Guys, my name is Gretchen. My channel is called Beautiful Mess, and I would love if when you're done watching Sherrell's video, you'd hop on over to mine and watch my extra special clean with me. And hopefully while you're there, you'll like what you see, check out my channel, and you'll consider subscribing and becoming a part of my YouTube community. I make a lot of videos on cleaning motivation, decluttering, organization, and motherhood lifestyle content. So if that's something that you like, I hope you'll come see me after you're done watching Sherrell's. See you guys in a little.
I am so honored to be doing a collaboration with my YouTube bestie. She is one of the sweetest people ever. She's just really sweet and such a considerate friend. I value her friendship and I just love her content. A lot of her videos just encourage and motivate me to clean and keep my home organized, which is very similar to what I do on my channel. So be sure to check out Gretchen when you're done watching this video.
We bring commotion, no hiding. No one like us.
I'm going to start in my living room and just do some light dusting. Rushing to get my kids out of school on time because I slept through the alarm just really left me in a frame of mind that I just did not like. So while I'm cleaning, I'm just going to listen to a sermon from Transformation Church. I'm trying to be more aware of my character and my behavior, and I just feel as though the people who love me most should always receive my best. And although I do fail at this, I just really choose not to fail at being a wife and a mom.
Stop us, you and me sparkle like stardust. No one like us, babe, we'd be glorious. And you could try hating or shaming, there'll be no bowing or taming. Nothing like us, babe, we'd be glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor, stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum.
After dusting my furniture downstairs, I'm going to head upstairs and make up my kids' beds as well as mine. And when I tell you that it was a miracle that I got these kids out on school on time, girl, it was a miracle.
Signs wrapping you around my finger, gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another, sneaking around, hunt and prey to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
So every morning I make it a habit to make up my bed. I just love how it brightens the room and makes my room look so much better, and I feel like it gives it a facelift, and it just feels so good to jump in a bed that's already made up after a long day. Next, I'm going to dust my nightstand and dresser using the Method Wood for Good furniture polish and the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the scent Mum. And I've heard so many reviews from other YouTube mamas, and I absolutely love this fall scent from Mrs. Meyer's. It smells so good. It's more of a floral scent, but it's not overpowering. It's very light, and it just smells amazing.
What's mine then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.
Here I noticed that my sports bra was twisted, and girl, here I am trying to be cute, and then my clothes tell me that I can't be great.
I'm not sure that I can tell much more.
Moving into the bathroom now, and I'm just going to disinfect my bathroom by using my Clorox wipes.
I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine then I leave behind.
So once I was done tidying up, I decided to do something extra special for my family, just to let them know how loved and special they are to me. These past couple of weeks I've been under the weather, and my children have been so kind to take care of me. As a current solo parent, this meant so much to me to see my children extend grace and unselfishly help out. I thought it would be really sweet to make them some brownies, but with a little twist. I feel like the kitchen should be the space where you can play and test with different flavors. Y'all, I get it from a mama who never follows any recipe, so that gene has been passed on to me. So I'm following the box instructions as my base, but taking it to another level by adding strawberry and vanilla gelatin. I did use the entire vanilla flavored gelatin, but left a little more than 2/3 of the strawberry flavored because I didn't want it to overpower the flavor of the chocolate, if that makes sense. But I did add an additional 1/3 cup of water, and I ended up baking this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and you guys will see later on what my Hershey Kisses thought of it.
Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you?
Moving on, I'm just going to tidy up my kitchen since I did make a little bit of a mess, and then I'm going to vacuum my floors clean.
Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
So there's always something that is calling for our attention, and we don't always have the motivation or inspiration to tackle that. And so I hope that when you clicked on this video that you feel more motivated and inspired than you did before. And if you did, please let me know in the comments and give this a thumbs up. So my goal in sharing a video like this is to leave each of you motivated to complete the daily task, and for this to become a safe place where we as women can uplift and motivate each other. I appreciate you choosing to spend some of your day with me, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. As I said, this is a collab with my girl Gretchen, and you guys have to go check out her video. I will be sure to leave her link in my description below, and please let her know that I sent you. I am so thankful for you guys, and I just want to let you know, girlfriend, that you are more than enough, and I hope that you have an amazing day, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, girlfriend. Until next time, stay beautiful.